Hello dear student, welcome back and let's start with new video, and today's video is very much special. Can you see something around me? Yes, you can see there is snow all around, which give me feel about Antarctica. And this is the only place over this earth which lies at the bottom of the earth, which is full of snow, where you can see only whiteness and where you can see the extended white sheet of snow. Yes, dear student, Antarctica is that beautiful place. Here, Tishani Doshi mentioned that early this year, I got a... See, the first of all, you have to think that I'm Tishani Doshi. ठीक है, तिशानी दोषी यहाँ अपनी स्टोरी यहाँ बताने जा रहे हैं कि how I got opportunity to award in a Russian research vessel academic Shkolovsky, which was heading toward the coldest, driest and windiest place of the earth, Antarctica. भी अंटार्कटिका की ओर जा रहा था, and I begin my journey 13.09 right in north of equator. कहाँ पे? In Madras से उसने शुरू की थी, right? And it involves 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water and as many, इतने ही इकोस्फीयर को भी पार करना पड़ा था. By the time actually I set my foot on the Antarctica, तब तक मैं लगभग 100 घंटे तक इन कॉम्बिनेशंस, राइट, कार में, एरोप्लेन में, शिप में ट्रेवल कर चुका था. बट व्हेन आई वाज देयर, I was astonished to see this place. So why so? See, my first emotion on facing Antarctica's expansive white landscape and uninterrupted blue horizon was really, but immediately afterward, उसके तुरंत बाद ऐसा क्या हो गया, which follow up with an immediate and profound wonder. Why wonder? The wonder at its immensity, wonder at its extendedness, right, and its isolation, but mainly at how there could be a time when India and Antarctica was the part of same landmass. 650 million years ago, a giant amalgamated supercontinent Gondwana indeed exists that was roughly centered around the present day Antarctica के इर्द-गिर्द पड़ा हुआ था. Things were very different at that time. The climate was much warmer. The human hadn't arrived on the global scene, but it hosted the different in the variety of flora and fauna. Around 500 million years ago, Gondwana thrived, right? And it was the time when mammals got underway. It was the time when the dinosaur was, wiped out. वो लगभग वो खत्म होते जा रहे थे. The human, ये जो mammals थे वो आने शुरू हो गए थे. Not only that, but also it was the time when Gondwana took the shape of countries, the same way as we can see. जो globe है, लगभग उसने इस तरह का shape लेना शुरू कर दिया था, the way we can see it today. To visit Antarctica now is to be a part of that history and to grasp that where we have come from and where could possibly be heading. It's to understand the significance of the Cordilleras and Precambrians की जो shields है, granite shields है, ozone and carbon, evolution and extinctions. Okay, and when you think all about these things that can happen in a million years, it gets really mind-boggling. Just imagine that India pushing the northward, jamming against the Asia to buckle its crust and form the Himalayas. And the South America drifted off to join North America, opening up the Drake Passage to create a cold circumpolar current, keeping Antarctica frigid, desolate, and at the bottom of the world. Right? Or a sun-worshipping South Indian like me and spending 2 weeks in a place where 90% of Earth's total ice volume are stored is a chilling prospect, not just in the metabolic and circulatory system, but also in imagination. क्योंकि imagination में भी कभी इन चीजों के बारे में सोचता हूँ ना तो कब कभी पैदा कर देता है. It's like walking in a giant ping pong ball which is devoid of any human markers, because this is the place where there is no human being. किसी तरह का कोई आदमी नहीं वहां पे रहता है. नो ट्री, नो बिलबोर्ड, बट द विजुअल स्केल इज फ्रॉम ये छोटे से छोटी चीज से लेकर बड़े से बड़े माइक्रो तक हो जाते, मैक्रो तक हो जाते हैं. लाइक देयर आर स्मॉल, छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े, माइट एंड मिजेस यू कैन सी, बट you can see the visual scale can be as big as इतने बड़े बड़े वहां पे आइस वर्क है. द लार्जेस्ट वन इज रिकॉर्डेड. कितना बड़ा है वो. ये बेल्जियम नाम की जो कंट्री है वो इतने बड़े आइस वर्क भी वहां पर पड़े हुए हैं. See, and this is really a beautiful place over this earth, and this is the place where you can compare your own place where you are living now. Okay, how? Just that you have to find out that how much we have polluted our areas. So it's really very clear, very pretty to see. And here he said that this place becomes more sacred, more holy when it has been interrupted by an occasional avalanches. And iceberg के द्वारा जब कभी वो avalanches टूटते हैं तो इस प्लेस की पवित्रता को वो और भी पवित्र कर देता है. It made it more beautiful. And for human, the prognosis not good. भी आदमी के लिए तो, आम जो इंसान है उनके लिए तो यहाँ पे अंदाजा लगाना, अनुमान लगाना भी जरा it's not good. Human. See, the human civilizations have been around for a paltry 12,000 years. 12,000 साल ही हुए आदमी को यहाँ पे आगे. And according to the geological clock, it is just a second. But in short amount of time, the human has made so much ruckus over here. It has dominated the earth through the villages, cities, mega cities, and increasing population is the biggest factor which has left us battling with the other species for limited resources of this earth. And unmitigated fossil, burning of the fossil fuel is other reasons which is creating the layer of carbon dioxide over the earth, which is slowly but surely will increasing the global temperature. And nowadays you can see that global temperature, climate change is one of the most hotly debated environment issue of our time. Why so? See, will the West Antarctic ice sheet melt entirely? Will the Gulf Stream ocean current be disrupted? Will it be the end of the world as we know it? Maybe, maybe not. Either way, Antarctica is a crucial element in this respect, right? And of this debate, right? Not just because it's the only place in the world which has never sustained a human population and therefore remains relatively pristine in this respect, but more importantly, because it holds in its ice core 500,000 years old carbon record trapped in its layer of ice. If we were to study and examine Earth's past, present, and future, so this is the only place where we can know all these things. Students on Ice, the program I was working with on Shkolorsky, aims to do exactly this by taking high school students to the end of the earth and providing them an education opportunity, right, which help them foster the understanding and the respect for our planet. कि 6 साल इस ऑपरेशन को हो गए हैं. Green Joe was the main leader here who was heading these missions, and he said that I was fed up with those celebrity and security seekers who give little back to the earth. So here, students on Ice, he offers the future generation of policymakers a life-changing experience at an age when they are ready to absorb, learn, and most importantly, act करने के लिए तैयार थे. The reason the program has been so successful is because it's impossible to go anywhere near the South Pole and stay unaffected. It's impossible. Let's see. It's easy to be blessed about. है ना, ये देखना बड़ा आनंद आता है कि when polar ice caps melting while sitting in the comfort zone of our respective latitude and longitude. भी अपनी जगह पे अपने घरों में बैठकर इन चीजों को पिघलते हुए देखना अच्छा लग रहा है. But when you can visibly see glacier, ये जो glaciers है उनको पिघलते हुए जब आप देखते हो, then you will realize that yes, global warming is the real threat to our generation. We must think about it. Antarctica, because of its simple ecosystem and lack of biodiversity, it provides the perfect place to study how little change made big repercussions there and its environment. Right? Take the microscopic phytoplankton, those grasses of the sea that nourish and sustain the whole ocean's फूड चेन, कैसे पूरे ओशंस की या समुद्र की फूड चेन को वो सस्टेन करता है, राइट? एंड दीज सिंगल सेल plant use the sun energy to assimilate carbon and synthesizes organic compound in that wondrous and most important processes called photosynthesis. Scientists warn that a further depletion in the ozone layer will affect the activities of phytoplanktons, which in turn will affect the lives of all marine animals and birds of the region and the global carbon cycle. In the parable of the phytoplankton, there is a great metaphor existence, and it's said that take care of the small things. बड़ी चीजें खुद ब खुद अपनी जगह पे आ जाएगी. That's important here. Last part of this lesson is here, walk on ocean. Tishani Doshi said that my Antarctic experience was full of epiphanies. Why so? See, the best occurred just sort of the Antarctic Circle at the 65.5 degrees south. Shkoloski had managed to wedge herself into a thick white stretch of ice between the peninsula and Tadpole Island, which was preventing us from going any further. Captain decided we were going to turn around and head back north, but before we did, we were all instructed to climb down the gangplank and walk on the ocean. So there we were all, 52 of us knitted out in Gore-Tex and glass, walking on a stark whiteness that seemed to spread out there. Underneath our feet was a meter-thick ice pack, and underneath that, 180 meters of living, breathing salt water in the periphery of Clearwater Seas were stretching and sunning themselves on ice floes, much like three dogs will do under the shade of a banyan tree. It was nothing short of revelations. Everything does indeed connect. 9 time zone, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and as many ecosphere later, I was still wondering about the beauty of balance in play on our planet. How would it be if Antarctica were to become the warm place that it once used to be? Will we be around to see it? Or would we have gone the way of the dinosaur, mammoths and woolly rhinos? Who is to say? But after spending 2 weeks with a teenager who still have the idealism to save the world, जिनको अभी भी इस पृथ्वी को बचाने का एक idealism है, I was so happy with them. This mission was so successful because they were the teenagers who are ready to absorb, to learn and to act. Because they are the policy maker of the futures, they can make big difference and they can make policy and they can think big to save this earth. Right? So here, all I can say is that a lot can happen in a million years, but what a difference a day makes. That's it, dear student. That was your lesson number 3, Journey to the End of the Earth, in which you can learn many things, that how Tishani Doshi got opportunity to about in the Russian research vessels which was heading toward the Antarctica. And he started his journey from Madras, and it involves almost 9 time zone, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and as many ecosphere. And he has crossed that almost in 100 hours. Having been there, he was astonished to see the whiteness of the Antarctica. Not only that, but also he was, astonished to see its expensive and interrupted blue horizon. See, and how 650 million years ago, the giant amalgamated supercontinent Gondwana was in existence, and how after 500 million years ago, it Gondwana thrived, and it took the shape of globe that you can see today, and how the human came in the existence. कैसे अस्तित्व में आया? There are so many things to learn. Increasing population is the only factor which has left us battling with other species. for limited natural resources and unmitigated burning of the fossil fuel has increased the carbon dioxide, which is slowly but surely increasing the global average temperature. So it is the pretty clear to all that environment change and the climate change is the biggest issue nowadays. And every time we brag and we talk about the climate change, and then we talk about the Antarctica, that how we can make comparison with other part of the earth, राइट अंटार्कटिका के साथ हम कैसे अपना कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं कि हाउ मच वी हैव polluted our earth, how much we have exploited the natural resources, right? So dear student, there are so many other things, all depend upon you. Very soon I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.